everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your message problem on your Instagram. Before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you're getting a problem simply while sending the message not being sent, it's like giving this like red, like it's message not sent kind of thing, then you go to Play Store as well and see if your app is updated or not. My app also needs to be updated. Simply tap on this update and get your Instagram app updated. And the other thing also that you will go to your settings and you will simply just go to your apps and go to your apps again over here, and then you will search your app and simply go to and call storage, and here you will clear cache from here, and once you cache this you will simply go back. And the other thing that you can make sure is simply tap on your profile icon over here, tap on this three horizontal line on top and tap on the settings, simply tap on this option called privacy, and then simply tap on this messages option over here. Here you can see the message control, who will get to chat with you. You can see who can add you to groups. Simply tap on this, and as you can see it's everyone on Instagram in my case as well. So if you have only people you follow on Instagram, and if other people are trying to add you in the group and you're not getting the messages and you're getting, then you can simply turn on that one. And as you can see your followers on Instagram, you can see message requests. If you would like to, if you're getting problem with message requests, simply come here and turn on this option over here as well. So yeah, this is how you can simply check out all of the messages problem of your Instagram. And yeah, this is it for today's video. Like our video and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.